Hey, it's James Potenza, your Houston new home realtor. We're back out at this beautiful Massey Oaks, and we're going to show you another Kessler plan by Meritage. And what I do, these are all quick move-in homes. So what I do for you guys is what's out here right now, so you don't have to load up the kids, the family, and come out here and come see these homes. Especially when it's hot outside, I take a look at them for you. These are quick in move-in homes, ready to go. So I'm gonna put my contact information right up there, and we're gonna take a look at this Kessler home by Meritage. All right, let's go. All right, so I hope you like that Kessler home in Massey Oaks. That's a Meritage home. Yeah, like I said, I do this for anybody that wants to quick move-in home. They want some ears, some eyes, some hands, everything on the product that they can see. Maybe, hopefully, you'll be able to see everything they need to know before they come out here and take a look at these homes. I do this for all my clients, and if you happen to have something in mind that you want me to take a look at, I'm gonna put the contact information right there, and I can come do this for you guys. So also, don't forget to like and subscribe down there, because I put so much timely content. It's unbelievable. The best on YouTube that I've seen for anything new construction. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.